Hello everyone, this is Fasir Rahman. The topic which we are going to discuss today is Profitability Index, that is also called as PI. Here the problem has given. For that problem we have to solve with the help of in the method of profitability index. Again, compute profitability index with the given data. Cost of project is 9,000. PV factor at 10%, cash flows are 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 2,000 for first, second, third, fourth and fifth year respectively. Again, this is the data which has given in the problem. With the help of this data, we have to find out the profitability index. Okay, how to undergo for that, I'll show you. Yeah. To start the problem, what we need to do, just see, we have to undergo for the profitability index. For that, we should have a table in which we should have 4 columns. Okay, first one is year, cash inflow, PV factor at 10%, PVCF at 10%. Okay, we are computing profitability index here. For that, what exactly we are going to do now? Years, whatever the years has mentioned, means 1 2 3 4 5, all the 5 years we are going to mention here. Then their cash flows, again, their cash flows like 30,000, sorry, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,000, 2,000. Same we are going to mention here. Then PV factor at 10%. We have to find out PV factor at the 10% with the help of calculator, or else we will be having a PV factor chart through which we can just copy it. I'll show you how to find out the PV factor with the help of calculator. Okay. Now we are finding out PV factor for the 10%. So what we need to do is, we need to type 1.1 divide equal to, this will be for the 10%. 1.1 means directly it's a 10%. Okay, this is for the first year. Now for the second year, what we need to do, just we need to press equal to, the second year value will come. When we press equal to, again third year value. When we press equal to, again fourth year value. When we press equal to, again fifth year value. So in this way we will find out PV factor at 10%. Again, now what we need to do, for the PVCF at 10%, we have to multiply this 2. When we multiply with 3,000 with this PV factor at 10% first year rate value, then it will come this. Again, similar for the second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Okay, we got the answers. Now we have to sum up all the answers, whatever the results we have got, then we will be getting 14,445 rupees. Okay, this is sum of PVCFs. PVCF means present value, cash flows. Now what we will do, we have to write PI formula. Okay, profitability index formula. The profitability index formula is present value of cash inflow divided by present value of cash outflows. Okay, present value of cash inflows. Just now what we have found out, that is present value of cash inflows. The same we are going to substitute. Present value of cash outflows means the initial investment which has given in the problem, that is 9,000. Okay, this 9,000, that is to be substituted here. When we divide this two thing, we will be getting this. I'll show you. 14445 divided by 9000 is equals to 1.605, the same answer which we have got. PI. This is the way in which the PI is going to be found. Okay.